Today, we're making a classic Jamaican favorite, corned, rich, spicy, and comforting bully beef. Here's what you'll need for this dish: sunflower oil, 1 finely chopped onion, spring onion, garlic cloves, fresh thyme, and Scotch bonnet chili. For this recipe, we'll use a large frying pan, a saucepan, a colander, plus a knife, chopping board, and a zester. And of course, we'll need a kettle to boil water. This recipe takes about 30 minutes from start to finish. The prep and cooking come together quickly, making it perfect for a satisfying meal any day of the week. Let's start cooking. Heat sunflower oil over medium-low heat, then add the onion, spring onion, garlic, thyme, and Scotch bonnet. Cook gently for about 8 minutes until the onions soften and release their aroma. Now add the chopped tomato and pepper and cook until everything is tender. Turn up the heat, add the corned beef, break it up, then stir in the ketchup and black pepper. Cook for a few minutes more until everything is well combined and flavorful. Serve hot with steamed white rice and a sprinkle of fresh thyme. Enjoy your meal, trials, and I'll see you in the next episode.